If you're seeing x.com or Twitter response error 64, that usually means your account has been restricted or permanently suspended by X. The fix is very simple. First, if you're using a VPN, turn it off right away. A VPN can sometimes trigger additional security checks or make the issue harder to resolve. Next, go to X and submit an appeal for your account. Make sure you explain the situation clearly and keep your message polite and direct. After you submit the appeal, the most important step is to wait for X to review it. In most cases, there isn't a manual workaround for error 64 beyond the appeal process, so patience is key here. While you're waiting, avoid repeatedly logging in and out or making unnecessary changes to the account, because that can sometimes slow things down. Once X responds, follow any instructions they give you and check your email and account notifications regularly. So to recap, if you get response error 64 on X or Twitter, disable any VPN, submit an appeal, and wait for the review process. If this helped, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this, and I'll see you in the next one.